Let's be real, running an online store can feel like a 24/7 grind. But what if you could get a serious competitive edge without working around the clock? Today, we're diving into how automation and some really smart strategies are completely changing the e-commerce game, letting you work smarter, not harder.
So let's just kick things off with a pretty important question. Is your Shopify store working harder than you are? I mean, you probably started this whole thing for freedom, right? But does it ever feel like you've just built a machine that you have to constantly feed and take care of day and night? If you're nodding along, you're probably on this exact treadmill. Your store never closes. Inventory is, well, it's a nightmare. Your competitors are in a race to the bottom on price. And oh my gosh, the manual data entry, it just never, ever ends. These are the growing pains pretty much everyone in e-commerce feels. And that right there brings us to the core challenge. How in the world do you manage a business that literally never sleeps without completely burning yourself out? How are you supposed to scale when there are only 24 hours in a day? Okay, here it is. This is the big shift in thinking you need to make. The solution isn't putting in more hours or hiring a massive team. The key, the real secret, is to build smart, automated systems that do all that heavy lifting for you. That's how you make the leap from just surviving to actually, thriving. So let's start with one of the most powerful places to automate, your pricing. In a market that changes by the minute, setting a price and just leaving it there, well, it just doesn't cut it anymore. You need pricing that actually thinks and adapts on its own. And that's what we call dynamic pricing. At its heart, it's a system that automatically tweaks your prices based on what's happening in the market right now. Seriously, think of it like your store's own personal stock trader, always on the lookout for that perfect price to maximize your revenue. And how it works is actually a pretty simple 3-step loop. First, it's constantly collecting a ton of data: what your competitors are charging, how much stock you have, customer demand. Then, some really powerful AI and algorithms analyze all that info to spot trends. And finally, this is the magic part. It automatically adjusts your prices to the perfect sweet spot. That could mean raising them when a product is hot or lowering them to clear out old inventory. All right, so smart pricing is a huge piece of the puzzle. But now let's talk about the deals you offer. Because with automation, you can turn a simple promotion into an absolute powerhouse that drives sales. You've seen this a million times: buy X, get Y. It's a classic for a reason. But when you automate it, it becomes this incredibly powerful tool for boosting your average order value without having to slash your prices with big discounts. Now, what I love about this is the messaging. A beauty brand actually used this exact phrase. See, it's not just, hey, here's a free thing. It's an invitation. It reframes that free gift as a chance for the customer to discover a new product they might just fall in love with. And that is brilliant for building long-term loyalty. And hey, the results really do speak for themselves. A toy retailer called Babycoo ran these kinds of automated campaigns, and they saw their average order value jump by 27%. That is a massive lift, all driven by one single smart, automated offer. So we've got pricing covered, we've got promotions, but what about the most, human part of your business, customer service? Well, it turns out automation is transforming that too, helping you give amazing service that can actually scale with your business. Here's the thing about great automation. It doesn't feel robotic. It feels instant. It feels helpful. By taking care of all those simple, repetitive questions right away, you create this super smooth experience that just makes customers happier and keeps them coming back for more. And the numbers here are just so powerful. Brands that use service automation see their first response time drop by an average of 37%. That's the difference between getting an answer right now versus waiting hours or even a day. And it gets even better. They see a 52% drop in the total time it takes to actually solve a customer's problem. Their issue is fixed in half the time. I mean, just imagine what that does for your brand's reputation. But here it is, the metric that really truly matters. All of that faster, better service leads directly to a 36% increase in repeat purchases. It's so simple. Happy customers become loyal customers. End of story. Okay, so far we've mostly focused on what the customer sees, but honestly, the real magic of automation often happens behind the scenes, in what I like to call the engine room of your business, your back-end operations.
I mean, just take bookkeeping, the old, manual way. It's slow, it's tedious, and it's just full of potential errors. The automated way saves you time, it's way more accurate, and, this is crucial, it scales. As your orders grow, the system just keeps up, no problem. Just listen to this from the Shopify store, Epic Men's. By automating their bookkeeping, they saved 80 hours a week. That's basically the equivalent of having 2 extra full-time employees that they could then use to actually grow the business. And this isn't just a one-off story. Skinny Mixes automated their backend and they doubled their online business. Epic Men's, they grew 42% year over year. The data is crystal clear. Automating your operations is a direct line to serious growth. Now, with all this talk about AI and automation, you might be wondering, okay, so where do I fit into all of this? And that brings us to the most important point of all, the human edge. See, automation isn't about replacing you. It's about freeing you. It takes care of all the boring, repetitive, soul-crushing work to give you back your most valuable resource, your time. Time to focus on big picture strategy, to build a real brand, to make genuine connections with your customers. Time to finally work on your business instead of just in it. Which really just leaves us with one final thought. As these AI systems get smarter and smarter, our role as entrepreneurs is going to change. We won't just be the ones pulling all the levers. We're going to be the ones teaching the machine how to pull them even better. So is your next job title going to be AI coach? Something to think about. Thanks for tuning in.